Nokia to hard reset problem. First of all, USB connected uh, power current computer PC connected USB data. First volume up and USB data connect. Volume up, press and connect USB data. First of all, power off. Okay, power off on. Okay, this is volume up, press and connect USB data only, no power button press. Okay, this no comment one here. So this press volume up and power button press. Not working. Okay, now go computer PC now. Software open. Okay, starting now. Okay, now main go factory data or a phone. Okay, now turn on. Okay, factory reset set.
Audio Jungle.